Bank of America has announced that a breach involving a third-party provider has compromised the sensitive data of hundreds of its customers. A recent filing with the Maine Attorney General's office revealed that an unauthorized entity accessed the systems of an unidentified third-party software provider. Although Bank of America's own systems were not directly affected, the sensitive information of at least 414 customers is now at risk. The bank is notifying those impacted, explaining that the breach pertains to mortgage loans and that the exposed data includes customers' names, social security numbers, addresses, phone numbers, passport numbers, and loan numbers. We prioritize your security and understand how distressing this situation can be. We sincerely apologize for the incident and any concerns it may cause. We are reaching out to you so we can collaboratively protect your personal and account information, a bank representative stated. To mitigate potential financial repercussions, Bank of America is actively monitoring accounts for unauthorized transactions. Additionally, the bank is offering affected customers a complimentary one-year enrollment in an identity protection service. A recent report from Security Scorecard highlighted that 97% of the top 100 U.S. banks experienced third-party data breaches last year as lenders increasingly depend on external vendors for essential banking operations. If you want to find out about more breaches and security links, click the like and subscribe buttons.